All right guys, so in our last episode, we started to try to squeeze some more power out of our Camaro by installing a Roto-Fab intake system as well as an MBRP axle back exhaust. And we're breathing better and it sounds great, but to get the most bang for our buck out of those two mods, we gotta tune it. So we've got a programmer from Livernois today that I wanna show you guys. Let's check it out. Now, like I was saying, guys, to get the most bang for your buck out of an intake and exhaust modification, you need to tune your car. And for our car, we're going with a tune and programmer from Livernois. And we've used these guys in the past, and they specialize in all late model American muscle. Anything from Camaros, Mustangs, Challengers. If it's made in America and it's got a V8 engine, they know it and they know it very well. That's why we decided to go with them. Now, this is their Livernois MyCalibrator programmer, and I'll be quite honest, it's not very flashy. This thing looks like it's probably out of 1998. However, they do have a brand new MyCalibrator touchscreen programmer that will be available for the 6th Gen Camaro shortly. They do have it currently available for other makes and model cars, so make sure to go to the site, check it out if you're in the market for a tuner. Now, I've already done a lot of the hard work for you guys, and our new tune for our Camaro is already on this programmer, but let me at least go over the steps, so if you're looking at getting a tuner or a programmer for your car, you can get a good understanding of what needs to be done. Now, Livernois asks for you when you receive the tuner to first plug it into the car and actually download the factory tune onto the programmer. Then you're going to go to their website and download the specific program to upload your factory tune so the team at Livernois can take a look. That factory tune is going to have all the information that they could possibly need to design your new tune. Once the new tune is designed based off the mods that you have installed or the mods that you plan on installing, and especially the fuel that you plan on running, they're going to send it back to you, and you can then plug in the tuner to your PC, upload your new tune onto the programmer, and you're ready to program your car. It's that easy. Now, for our Camaro, on a 93 octane tune, we can expect to see gains of 40 horsepower and 35 pound-feet of torque. That's a lot of power for just pushing a few buttons and plugging in a connector. All right, so now that we have key on, engine off, we're simply just going to go through all the prompts on the tuner. Turn the key into the run position, press Y. It's going to start communicating with the vehicle. Now remember, guys, I know this programmer looks really old and antiquated, but it's the software and the tune inside that we're really concerned with, and the team at Livernois knows that. Plus, they are coming out with the new MyCalibrator Touch with a full touchscreen that looks way better and it's a lot easier to use. Now it's going to move through and make sure that there are no diagnostic codes or faults whatsoever in the system before installing the new tune. We have none reported. That's all good news. To install custom tuning, press Y. Now, this programmer does more than just add horsepower and torque. It also changes some other features on the car. Now, one of the most annoying features of the new Camaro with a manual transmission is the skip shift function. You know exactly what I'm talking about. It forces you to go from first to fourth to save fuel economy. It drives me absolutely crazy. I'm sure it does for you guys too. With this programmer, we can eliminate that and just completely turn it off. And I'm definitely doing that. All right, guys, the programmer's to the point where it's ready to program the car. We'll have to wait a few moments until it's ready, though. All right, guys, we're at the point where the programmer is ready to program the car. This does take a few minutes, so just be patient. All right, at 100%. All right, guys, as you can see, our tuner is telling us, turn the key to the off position, press Y. We're going to wait 30 seconds. It'll have us turn the key then back on. It's going to verify that the new tune is in. Everything is okay. And then we're going to go take this thing for a rip. All right. Key on, engine off, press Y. Custom tune is installed. That's it. Disconnect programmer. All right, guys, that's all it takes. A push of a few buttons from our programmer, and we just installed 40 more horse and 35 pound-feet of torque. Now, once again, we went with Livernois, not just because they're really fantastic at providing performance tunes, but they just know performance when it comes to American muscle. I mean, these guys have their own engine room, dyno, they sell crate motors, cylinder heads, cams, complete engine packages. They know American muscle and they know how to tune these cars. That's exactly why we went with them. So let's get this thing out, take it for a rip. Holy! Woo! Well, needless to say, guys, our Camaro definitely has some more power. I'm really pleased with how all of these mods went on this car. But it is the first of many mods that we're going to install on this project car. So if you haven't yet, make sure subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on all of the updates with our Project Camaro. I'll see you guys next time.